Hello friends, this is Anant Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence, APEX. APEX is an institution that is located in Mangalore. It provides GATE coaching for mechanical and civil engineers. I am basically from Mangalore and I run this institution. I am thankful to Suresh Maliaji for providing me an opportunity to give a talk on GATE exam in this Amgile channel. I have done my MTech from IIT Madras and have submitted my thesis for PhD degree in Mechanical Engineering Department of IIT Madras. This talk is helpful for engineering students, graduate engineers, as well as the students of 11th and 12th standard who are aspiring to get an engineering seat and are worrying whether they will get job or what are the future prospects after joining an engineering college. So let us see what is GATE. GATE is a national level exam that tests the technical knowledge of an engineer. It's an entrance test designed for securing admission to post-graduation and doctoral courses in IISc and IITs. GATE exam is conducted by 7 old IITs and IISc. GATE exam consists of 27 subject papers such as aerospace, chemical, civil and so on. A graduate mechanical engineer can write GATE exam in mechanical engineering paper, aerospace in aerospace engineering paper and so on. GATE exam can be written by a graduate engineer or students from the pre-final year onwards. That means a pre-final year, a student who is in the 3rd year, who is in the 4th year, and afterwards anytime he can write GATE. There is no attempt limit for GATE. Any number of times a student can write GATE. Okay, even this time a person who was 82 years of age has written GATE. So there is really no limit. Okay, GATE exam consists of MCQs, stands for multiple choice question, MSQs, multiple selection questions, and NAT, numerical answer type questions. For MCQs there is negative markings. Multiple selection question, MSQs, there is no negative marking if the question is wrong, if the answer is wrong, and NAT also there is no negative markings. GATE exam is for 100 marks and that consists of 31 mark question and 35 2 marks question. Qualifying marks for GATE in a paper varies from 25 to 48 and only 15% of the students who write GATE clear. That is why the person who has cleared GATE, who has qualified GATE, is considered to have very good subject knowledge. Now, why GATE? GATE, the main reason why GATE is designed is to get post-graduation seats in IITs as well as nowadays direct PhD seats in IITs, IISc, NITs and other institutions. One of the advantage of getting higher degree courses in these institutions is that students don't have to ask for money from their parents. Their graduation will be the last time they will ask for money. From now onwards, Government of India supports if a student clears GATE and he is doing a post-graduation degree. Now, if a person is doing a post-graduation course, he will get 12,400 rupees per month as a stipend, and if he does a direct PhD course, then he will get 31,000 rupees per month as a stipend initially. Later on, after 3rd year, he will get 35,000 rupees per month as a stipend, HRA, that is housing rent allowance extra. Now, second one, it is useful to get employment. Not just useful, it is mandatory to get employment in public sector undertakings like ONGC, HPCL, BPCL, these petroleum public sector units, as well as like National Thermal Power Corporation or maybe Neyveli Lignite or such kind of government or public sector undertakings. This is very important, or BSNL or such kind of public sector undertakings. To get that, GATE is mandatory. Okay, it is also helpful in getting management post-graduation seats in institutions like NITI Mumbai. The advantage of getting into NITI Mumbai is that there is a course called Post-Graduation Diploma in Industrial Engineering, which is specifically for engineers, and the pay package after the placement, the average goes to around 23 lakh per annum. Okay, so it's a very lucrative field to go. And another reason why GATE has to be done is a student can get fellowships in research organizations like CSIR labs, Center for Scientific and Industrial Research Labs, like National Aerospace Laboratories, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, or there are number of around 50 CSIR labs are there all over India, as well as institutions like ISRO, DRDO, IISc, IITs and other institutions. Now here the advantage is that the student will get 31,000 rupees per month as a salary, HRA extra, and after this fellowship is a temporary job. It is for a period of around 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. After that, there is a ample opportunities in R&D units of private companies as well as public sector companies, as well as to get post-graduation seats in IITs and NITs. The other advantage of writing GATE is to get post-graduation seats in foreign universities like National University of Singapore, Nanyang Technological University Singapore, Technical University of Munich, Germany, RWH in Germany, and various other institutions. Even American institutions, although they want students to be coming through GRE, but still a GATE qualification adds to the resume and the chances of selection into technical courses increases. Another important reason why GATE is useful is it helps preparing for exams like IES, Indian Engineering Service, SSC JEE, Staff Selection Commission exams for junior engineers, ISRO exam, and many other exams like state PWD exams, state assistant engineer exams, government jobs. It helps in these kind of jobs. One of the things we have to take out from our mind is because of reservations, our chances of getting into government jobs is less, no doubt. But still, I have seen many students from the general category getting into these government organizations without any influence, only by the strength of their merit. And it is not that difficult as thought of. Okay. Now let us see how we can crack GATE. First and foremost way is to learn concepts from a good teacher. Now, good teachers are rare to find, so sometimes we have to go, or most of the times we have to go for a coaching institute to get coaching, to understand what is priority, what has to be learned, what should be ignored. That is important, and without coaching it is very, very difficult to clear GATE. Next, study from the standard textbook. Once we get what to study, we have to go towards the standard textbooks and study the concepts well. Next step is to make one's own notes. Very important. In engineering, meticulousness has its own value. So writing down will increase the meticulousness, also will help understanding the concepts better. Another point, to make formula sheets. Formula sheets is short notes, okay, or short concepts that has to be written in a formula sheets, which has to be read every day. One of the things from Kabir has written one particular dohe in which he says, Karat karat abhyas te jadamati hot sujan. Karat karat abhyas means a person who does continuous practice. Jadamati, even if he is a very Jadamati means a person who is not that intelligent will also become very intelligent. So abhyas is very important. This practice is very, very important. Next, we have to practice all the previous year's GATE questions. Now this is about learning. Okay, once it is learning, just learning is not enough. Next, we need to understand, or we need to try how to handle pressure. Okay, for handling pressure we have to attempt mock tests. It is like all these 5 concepts which I have told you, or 5 steps which I have told you, is like learning techniques. For example, in sports we learn techniques. This is till practice all previous year's questions. This is about practice, getting techniques. This is like match practice. It is to get the skill to handle pressure. So this much is very, very important. So this is what is about GATE. Thank you very much, and if you have any further queries or you need any information, you can visit us at apexacademics.co.in, or if you have queries, you can directly WhatsApp me at this number 9444 297229. I'll be more than happy to help. I thank again Suresh Malia ji for giving this opportunity, and also the AMGELE channel, and I wish this AMGELE channel grows to much more bigger extent, and it will create a number of activities that will help our society in general. Thank you very much.